Soil classification and compaction proficiency samples 187 and 188 are currently being processed and packaged for shipping. The samples will be shipped to you on March 9th, 2023. Please note that sample 187 and sample 188 are shipped in separate boxes and will most likely arrive a few days apart. Upon receipt, carefully open the boxes and check to see if the samples were damaged in shipment or if they are missing a component. Use caution when opening the boxes, as a box cutter style knife may puncture the sample bags inside. For classification and compaction rounds 187 and 188, there will be one bag of material in each sample box. Each bulk bag will contain approximately 8.1 kilograms of blended soil that is 100% passing the 2.36 millimeter number 8 sieve. Treat these samples as you would treat typical testing samples that were brought into your laboratory. Prepare the soil in accordance with AASHTO R58, AASHTO R74, or ASTM D421. Please note that when performing the standard and modified Proctor tests, AASHTO T99, T180, or ASTM D698, 1557, the material will need to be reused when performing each moisture point in your compaction curve. After collecting the moisture content specimen, the sample will need to be broken apart and passed over a 4.75 millimeter number 4 sieve prior to remixing and the addition of moisture. Finally, all pertinent information such as sample instructions, data sheets, and safety data sheets can be found on the AASHTO resource website in the Safety Data Sheets and Instructions page. Thank you for your continued commitment to quality, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.